Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Desi Veggie Oats. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 cup of rolled oats and 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. Prepare about 1 cup of your favorite chopped vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and bell peppers. Don't forget your essential Indian spices like turmeric, cumin, and garam masala, plus a tablespoon of oil or ghee. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become translucent. Finally, introduce your mixed vegetables and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes until slightly tender. It's time to add the flavor. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder for a gentle kick. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste, mixing everything thoroughly. Now, pour in your 1 cup of rolled oats, ensuring they are well combined with the vegetables and spices. Gradually add 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, stirring constantly. Almost done, bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the oats are fully cooked and have absorbed most of the liquid. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once ready, garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious, nutritious Desi Veggie Oats hot. Enjoy your wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.